Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am at Dollar Tree. Yes, I can actually flip stuff from Dollar Tree. So let's go see what we can find.
Thanks for waving at me.
Okay, so we've wandered to the candy aisle and I'm gonna try to scan these Atomic Fireball candies. Okay, we got it popped up here. It's $33,000 in grocery. I'm gonna click and see how much can I sell it for. We're at the dollar store, and so I can make $1.76 after fees. So 76 cents, and then if you throw some tax on it, so really it's not worth a ton. But I'm gonna go on down through here and see if we can't scan a few other things. Oh, circus peanuts, remember these? These are awesome. We'll just see if they can scan. Sometimes you have to type in the title to get it to work. All right, let's see. Circus peanuts right here. 192,000 sales rank. Now this is what you need to notice, package quantity 6. So I'm gonna have to spend $6 on that and put them in 6-packs. So I need to make sure I buy enough for 6 packs. $6, $7.48. So I'll make $1.48 if I spend 6. So probably not the best idea. So, should I try these? These here? All right, sweet tart, soft and chewy ropes. Let's try these. All right, let's see, 120,000 sales rank. I'm gonna pay $1 for them. $1.35. Okay, so I'm only gonna make 35 cents, so not worth it to me. So, but there's some in here. I know I'm gonna hit on one that's gonna work really good. So I'm gonna keep scanning, and then I'll kind of show you what I think I can do. Well, I'll keep scanning and see if I can just find stuff. All right, these are Troll Sour Bright Llamas. Let's see if these are worth anything. It's being crazy about scanning, sorry. All right.
Might have to move the bag.
Okay, I got it to go, yep. All right, a 4,000 sales rank, that's awesome. All right. Okay, so I'm basically gonna break even if I make $1.02. So you gotta watch these every once in a while when there's a shortage of them. They sell really well, but if there's too many FBA sellers, then it just tanks. So I usually check these every time I come to town just to see where's the sales rank even at. Okay, I'm gonna try these Troll All-Star ones. These are new. I've not seen these before, and so I'm hoping because they're new, there's not as many sellers on the site. So it's gonna obviously have a higher sales rank because it's new, 340,000, but that's still pretty good in grocery, selling for a great price. So one of these little bags, just like this, is selling, and I can make $5.86. And with tax, let's say I'm gonna go $1.08 with tax, $4.78 for every single bag. So we're gonna go bonkers and buy these. Let's see, I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. $4 a piece times 21. So that's going to be around $84. So on Troll gummies. All right, I got Twizzlers here. Let's scan it. All right, now what I want to show you right now is it pops up 2 different ones. This one says sugar-free. That's not what I have, but there's a pack of 4 of these. So we're going to click the pack of 4. I obviously have to make sure that I can get 4. And then we're going to click through this. It has, well, first let's look at the sales rank, 165,000 in grocery. All right, so I'd have to spend $4 on it, $5.72. So clearly that's not going to be enough margin. But one thing that I want to tell you is these have an expiration date. So you have to make sure you check the expiration date. This one says January of 2020. So that's not a problem at all. But these are consumables. So they're going to continue to reorder these and reorder these and reorder these. Same thing with like health and beauty products and things like that. So if you hit on a food item and it sells great, keep focusing on that one and come back to it. Even if the bottom dropped out of it, other FBA sellers might not sell on that listing anymore, and then you can find it in another 6 to 3 months where all of a sudden the price goes back up. So check food items because they're definitely worth it. Right now these aren't, but probably in about 2 months they will be again. Okay, I had to show this to you because sometimes you find the strangest things at Dollar Tree. Crayola fruit snacks. I feel like this is a mixed signal. Come on, kids, eat your crayons.
They taste like gummies.
They taste like gummies. So next time they go to school, they're gonna just take a purple crayon and take a chomp right out of it. How come it doesn't taste the same as the ones at home?
Something's wrong with my crayon.
Something's wrong with my fruit snack crayon. Please don't teach your children to eat their crayons, okay? All right. So I found a new thing. It is a John Cena minifigure cake topper. All right, I scanned it. It has a sales rank of 239,000 in grocery because it's a cake topper, that's why. When I flip through Amazon fulfilled, I'm gonna pay $1 for it, make $4.57, so $3.57 after my $1 off. So these are a good find. So it's not just candy, but other fun things. So just wander around the Dollar Tree and scan away. All right, this is my haul from Dollar Tree. All of this combined, I should make around $200 from the Dollar Tree. I'm super excited. So these I'm gonna make about $4 a profit after I pay myself back what it costs the $1 to buy it. These here, these John Cena and the Rock cake toppers are $3 a piece. I'm gonna jump over to the candy. I'll come back to these in a minute. These are about $1 a piece. There were more at the store, but I just want to try them out and see how fast they move. So $1 a piece I'm going to make on those, and then for a 2-pack I'm going to make about $3 there. And so I'm super excited about that. The reason why I jumped over these I'm going to actually try on Poshmark. They're actually on Amazon, and I've sold them before on Amazon, but everybody under the sun is also selling them, and so the bottom's dropped out of it as far as fees and being able to make a profit. So I'm going to throw these on Poshmark and see how well I do. It's 20 Lego plates and napkins. And then these are also going to go in the new home category on Poshmark. They're wall stickers. So I'm going to try to take really good pictures. And then these say Hello World. These say Dream Wish Do, and they're those ones you just peel and stick to the wall. These I thought would appeal to all my pet lovers out there. Love with a little pet paw. Then a different style of Paris wall decal like this. And then I've got this one that says Donut Disturb. So I'm super excited to see how well these sell. I think I can make about $3 a piece on these and then $3 a piece on these after fees and everything. And so I only spent $1. I'll pay myself back plus all the fees and still come out positive $3 a piece on them. So I'm really excited to see how well they do. I'll try to give you a follow-up on any of the live streams to let you know, are these things selling well on my Poshmark store? But the cool thing is all this other stuff is going to Amazon. So it's going to be a lot easier to just post, ship off. Just be aware anytime you do any kind of food and candy, expiration dates. You have to be about 3 to 4 months out from the expiration date in order to even send it in. So we found some other things at the store, but the expiration date was too soon, so we chose not to buy them. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can actually sell from the Dollar Tree of all places. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.